So I'm Dr. Pankaj Sarange. I'm the director of the IPSC Pain and Spine Hospital, and we have this vertical IPSC Varsity and Training Institute under which we do perform all the courses and fellowships we offer. So I just take you through this website of ours, IPSC Varsity, where we have uploaded all the courses and the fellowship what we offer. So in that we have spine endoscopy fellowship. It's a hybrid fellowship. It's a 1 year hybrid fellowship where we have three workshops. One is category workshop and two are the live operative workshops, especially on the spine and focusing only on the spine endoscopy. And this fellowship is in association with American Society of Endoscopic Spine Society. Another is our 3 weeks full-time fellowship. This is basically for the covers the basic to advanced interventions, and this is a live operative fellowship where the delegates they come and stay with me. They attend my OPDs also, and they go to the inside OT and they perform they basically help assist me in all the procedures. So in this 3 weeks full-time fellowship, we cover mostly basic to advanced procedure, including spine endoscopy, vertebral augmentation procedures, radio frequency procedures. So this is a live operative fellowship. We have another 1 year hybrid fellowship. That is again 1 year of fellowship where we have two category workshops and one live operative workshop. Rest of the lectures are online. Every week we conduct these online lectures. In this 1 year's industry fellowship, we have uh, the lectures online every month. Then we have 7 days of online fellowship. This we started during COVID time, but now we are not running this fellowship anymore. We have just 5 days and 6 days basic courses. These are available only in our IPSC Bangalore center. So it's a basically 5 to 6 days of basic spine and pain intervention course, where we just talk about the basics of the basic anatomy, basic pathophysiology, fluoroscopic anatomy, how to use the fluoroscope, how to handle the ultrasound. So all these are basic things we cover. So this is basically for those people who are like anesthesiologists who wants to see, who wants to take a experience of how these pain interventions, how the pain medicine specialty works. For them, it is good. We have this postgraduate diploma in pain management that is only for the MBBS doctors, for the medical graduates who wants to specialize in pain medicine. So this is a non-interventional pain diploma. So this is in association with one of the university, be it the Gandhar Das University is there, and this diploma is provided jointly by IPSC and BTU University. So these are all our courses what we are offering. Apart from that, we run some workshops in between, like specific workshops like 2 to 3 days of RF workshops, live operative workshops. Also, we run some ultrasound guided interventions, MSK interventions workshop, again for 2 to 3 days, where we basically show the multiple cases, multiple variety of the cases. And it is like an interactive kind of sessions where the delegates also they get a chance to assist also with us. So this is a team of the doctors we are having with us. I'm there. Dr. Datta is for the spine endoscopy fellowship. Dr. Rahul and Atmaranjan again for the advanced fellowships. Dr. Namrata, she is a MSK expert. Dr. Harshita, she is again a MSK expert. And Dr. Swati Bhatt, she is head of the varsity and she is expert in neurointervention procedures. So this is all we have to offer. We already have also received one excellence award in pain practice by World Institute of Pain, and also we have received excellence in academics in healthcare academics by W Health Healthcare Excellence Award. So that is all from my side. So whenever you have any requirement of such intervention procedures, you want to learn something, you can just log into our website, IPSC Pain and Spine Varsity courses, and you can see all these courses which are available here. You can register online also. Thank you.